Welcome to Study Loop.
30.54. So we have two of the naturally occurring radioactive decay sequences here, or rather we have their starting nuclei and then the sequence of decays they go through. And then we want to write out what the daughter nuclei are after each of these decays for both sequences. So starting with our thorium-232, we are told first it decays by an alpha. So we're going to have an alpha here, and so we need to subtract off these numbers from the corresponding one on the thorium. So that's 228, 88, which is radium. Then ignoring the first part here, so we can just draw these arrows and sort of not have to write things twice, basically. We're told we emit a beta. So we're going to have a beta here. So this means that the positive charge of this increases by 1 because it lost a negative charge. So its mass number is still going to be 228, but now its charge number is going to be 89. And this is actinium. And we're told we have another beta. So we do the same thing again. We add 1 to this and leave this the same. We see we end up with a different isotope of thorium, thorium-228 now. Then we have an alpha. So again, we go back to subtracting 4 and 2 from the weight and charge numbers respectively. Now we have, as you might imagine, just a different isotope now of radium. 88. And then the final one in this sequence is another alpha. So we're going to take 4 off the mass number and 2 off the charge number. So we have 220 and 86, which is radon. Start a new page for this. So again, we're starting with uranium-235, and now we have alpha, beta, alpha, beta, alpha. So we write down what we started with: 235, 92, uranium, So we have an alpha here. So we're going to get a mass number of 231 and a charge number of 90. And this is thorium. Now we have a beta decay. So we have a beta here. So the charge on the thorium goes up by 1. The mass number remains the same, 91 Pa. Now we have another alpha decay. So 227, 89, C. Where were we? Alpha, beta, alpha. All right, so we have another beta decay here. So the mass number stays the same, 227. And the charge number goes up by 1. So we're back to our thorium, or not our thorium, we're back to a different thorium than either we had earlier here or in the thorium decay chain. And then we have another alpha to end things off here. So 223 and 88 is an isotope of radium. And so then these are the first 5 decay products in the uranium-235 chain. Here are the ones from the thorium-232 chain.